What does SQL stand for? SQL stands for Structured Query Language. What is SQL used for? SQL is used for managing and manipulating relational databases. What is a database in SQL? A database is a structured collection of data stored in tables. What is a table in SQL? A table is a database object that stores data in rows and columns. What is a primary key in SQL? A primary key is a unique identifier for a record in a table. What is a foreign key in SQL? A foreign key is a field that links two tables together by referencing the primary key of another table. What is a SQL query? A SQL query is a command used to retrieve, update, or manipulate data in a database. What is the select statement used for in SQL? The select statement is used to retrieve data from a database. What is an SQL join operation? Join is used to combine rows from two or more tables based on a related column between them. What is normalization in SQL? Normalization is the process of organizing data in a database to eliminate redundancy and improve data integrity. What is an SQL index? An index is a data structure that improves the speed of data retrieval operations on a database table. What is the purpose of the where clause in SQL? The where clause is used to filter rows returned by a select statement based on a specified condition. What is an SQL transaction? A transaction is a sequence of SQL statements that are executed as a single unit of work. What does ACID stand for in SQL? ACID stands for atomicity, consistency, isolation, and durability, which are properties of database transactions. What is a subquery in SQL? What is a subquery in SQL? A subquery is a query nested inside another query, often used to retrieve data for a specific condition. What is the difference between inner join and outer join in SQL? Inner join returns only matching rows, while outer join returns all rows from both tables, filling in with nulls for non-matching rows. What is a stored procedure in SQL? A stored procedure is a precompiled and reusable set of SQL statements that can be executed with a single command. What is the purpose of the group by clause in SQL? The group by clause is used to group rows based on one or more columns and perform aggregate functions on the grouped data. What is the difference between SQL and NoSQL databases? SQL databases are relational and use structured data, while NoSQL databases are non-relational and handle unstructured or semi-structured data. What is SQL injection? SQL injection is a malicious technique where an attacker inserts malicious SQL code into input fields to manipulate a database. What is the purpose of the having clause in SQL? The having clause is used to filter rows in a group by query based on aggregate function results. What is a trigger in SQL? A trigger is a set of instructions that are automatically executed when a specified event, such as an insert, update, or delete, occurs in a database. What is the difference between union and union all in SQL? Union removes duplicate rows, while union all includes all rows, including duplicates, in the result set. What is the purpose of the order by clause in SQL? The order by clause is used to sort the result set of a query based on one or more columns in ascending or descending order. What is SQL case statement used for? The SQL case statement is used to perform conditional logic in SQL queries, similar to an if-else statement in programming. Hope you enjoyed the content. Do share and subscribe for more such content.